Hello. In this video I will be teaching you about algebraic equations and how to solve them. This video will focus on equations with only one variable. Here we have the equation x minus 15 equals 25. Every equation has two sides, separated by the equal sign, the left side, and the right side. In order to solve an algebraic equation, you have to perform operations to both sides of the equation. Any operation that you perform on one side must also be performed on the other side. The first step to solving an algebraic equation is to isolate the variable. In this case the variable is x. In order to isolate x in this equation, you must add 15 to both sides of the equation. On the left side, the negative 15 cancels out with the 15 we just added, so we are left with just x. On the right side, the 25 and the 15 add together and we are left with 40. This gives us the equation, x equals 40, so now we know that x is equal to 40. Now let's try a slightly more difficult example. Here we have the equation 5x plus 6 equals 21. Again, the way to solve this equation is to isolate x. To do this we first subtract 6 from both sides. And we get 5x equals 15. Then we divide both sides by 5. And we get x equals 3. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more educational videos you should subscribe down below. Goodbye.